Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about the classification of organic compounds. You know, millions of organic compounds are known to us, and we can classify these organic compounds based on their structures, based on the functional group, and based on the homologous series. So today right now we discuss about the classification of organic compounds. So before starting this discussion, I would like to say that if you do not subscribe this channel or you are new to this channel, then this is the time to subscribe this channel. Okay, so let's start our discussions about the classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are classified based on the structure in three groups. One is open chain compound or aliphatic compound. Okay, open chain and aliphatic compound, like example of ethane, 2-methyl propane. These are example of open chain hydrocarbons. And next, in this same group we can place the alicyclic closed chain or ring compounds or homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds. These have all same thing. Okay, homocyclic compound means it is a cyclic compound where means all the corners of the cycle is occupied by carbon atom. So therefore, for this reason, these are called homocyclic compound, cyclic compound, but only contain one element. So for this reason, these are called homocyclic or homocyclic organic compounds. And these are open chain or aliphatic compound. Open chain aliphatic compound can further be divided into two classes. One class is the alkane, and which is called saturated hydrocarbon, and other two classes are unsaturated hydrocarbons like alkene and alkyne. So in this part we are dividing the organic compounds in three groups. One is open chain cyclic compound, another is aromatic homocyclic compounds, aromatic homocyclic compound, then heterocyclic aromatic compound, and heterocyclic alicyclic compounds. So these are the main three classes that we like to understand. That in the open chain class, here you can find the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means methane, ethane, propane. These are example of saturated hydrocarbons. And unsaturated hydrocarbon means ethene and propene, ethine, propyne, pentane. These are examples of the unsaturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated compounds, which is in this class, means in open chain class. Okay, in open chain class you can study the closed chain, or in this same group you can study the closed chain, alicyclic, ring compound, or homocyclic compounds. These are the examples like propane, cyclopropane, cyclopentane. These are the example of alicyclic, closed chain, ring compound, and homocyclic. Okay, these are example of aromatic. Homocyclic means all corners of the ring is occupied by carbon. For this reason, these are homocyclic. Benzenoid compound means benzene based compound. Aromatic benzene based compound like benzene, phenol. These are the example of aromatic homocyclic compound, benzene base. And non-benzene based compound, non-benzenoid aromatic homocyclic compound is example like azulene. Azulene is an example of non-benzenoid homocyclic aromatic compound. And in the third group we are placing the heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic organic compounds, you are finding two groups. One is aromatic and another is aliphatic. Aromatic group, we place the furan molecule in heterocyclic means in the ring with carbon another heteroatom should be present. Here oxygen is present as heteroatom. So for this reason it is heterocyclic aromatic compound. It is an aromatic compound, but aromatic compound, and with the one corner is occupied by oxygen atom, which is an heteroatom. So for this reason it is called as heterocyclic aromatic compound. And heterocyclic alicyclic compound like THF, tetrahydrofuran, Here one corner is occupied by oxygen atom and other corners are occupied by carbon atom. So and compound is cyclic, so therefore this is called the alicyclic heterocyclic compounds. So we are discussing the organic compounds classes in three major groups. One is the open chain aliphatic alicyclic compounds. These also have the aliphatic characteristics and aromatic characteristics. In aromatic character compounds we are divided it as benzenoid aromatic compounds, non-benzenoid aromatic compounds, and in heterocyclic base heterocyclic compound class we divide it as aromatic heterocyclic compound and alicyclic heterocyclic compound. So these are the total classification of the organic compounds. Okay, organic compounds are classified in these three groups, mainly in these three groups. One is open chain alicyclic compound. In open chain class you can find alkene, alkane, alkyne, and alicyclic compound class means these are in the same part of open chain, because these characteristics of this cyclic compound and open chain compound are similar. So for this reason they are forming one group. Another group is the aromatic compounds group, another group is the heterocyclic compound group. Heterocyclic compound group, there are two types of heterocyclic compounds that are aromatic and alicyclic. So this is the classification of organic compound based on the structure of organic molecules. And you can also classify the organic compound using the functional group as like you can say the functional group OH containing compounds. Functional group OH group containing organic compounds can be classified as alcohol, and functional group CHO containing organic compounds can be classified as aldehyde class. Okay, CHO group aldehyde class, and CO group containing compounds are called keto class, ketones. So these based on the functional group we also can classify the organic compounds as like alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. Okay, so organic compound classified can be classified using the structure, classified using the functional group concept, and organic compound can also be classified using the homologous series like alkane, alkene, alkyne, homologous series. We can also classify organic compounds. You know, different kind of organic compounds can be means classified in the three headings like that I discussed previously. Using these three heading: homocyclic, heterocyclic. You understand this point that what is homocyclic, what is heterocyclic. Heterocyclic means the cyclic compound where an heteroatom is present with carbon, so they are called heterocyclic compound. Aromatic compound, this means these are some compounds that have some special feature like cyclic, planar, and Huckel's rule of aromaticity. All are obeyed this type of aromatic compound. So we are discussing these three three bases of classification of organic compound. First, we classified the organic compound based on their structure. Second, we classify the organic compound based on the functional group, and third, based on the homologous series, we also can classify the organic compounds. So this is the discussions that I wanted to make, that organic compounds can be classified in a different groups, classified in different group based on some basis, and for this basis we classify the organic compounds, right? We classified the organic compounds. So this is the discussions about this classification of organic compounds, and I think you understand this topic, that what are the classification of organic compounds. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video, then you can ask me in the comment section that what is your question. I would happy to answer your question. And if you find this video is useful, then you can like this video. And if you find that this channel is means uh, is giving you some useful concept, then you can subscribe this channel also. Thank you for watching this video.